Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start in Gateway of Tally, open the company, and go straight to the invoice you need. Once the invoice is open, press F12, Configure to access printing and display options. Make sure print configuration is visible. This is where font and layout options live. After that, choose the format you use for invoices, either A4 or thermal template, because font scaling behaves differently between layouts. Now, proceed to the font size settings within that configuration panel. Once in the configuration screen, locate the font size or text size field. You can type a numeric size like 10, 12, or 14. If Tally shows a drop-down, select small, medium, or large, and then refine with numeric input when available. Make sure to change both screen and print font options if separate. After adjusting, click Print Preview to see how the invoice will look on paper versus screen. This prevents surprises when you actually print multiple copies. Save your configuration and run a test print on the exact paper and printer you will use. If text appears too large or misaligned, go back and tweak margins, line spacing, or the template scaling option. These affect perceived font size. Make sure the printer driver DPI matches your expectations. 300 DPI versus 600 DPI changes output. If problems persist, update Tally to the latest release and confirm the printer driver is current. These fixes resolve most font issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.